everyone, what's up? So I just opened a YouTube channel. So I don't know what to say because the first video, and I think I don't know, just my first video. So today I want to show you a tutorial because that's what I do in this channel, tutorials, or maybe I gonna make some talks, little gameplays, or I open a secondary channel for gameplays. So yes, today I want to show you how to enter in DeepWeb safely, because you know, to enter DeepWeb is from example from Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. It's you know what, very unsafe. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you how to enter in DeepWeb. So the program you need to have is Tor browser. To the Tor browser, you can navigate safely without anyone can like view your location or track you. So new Tor browser, Google Chrome or other browser, simple browser, not Tor browser. So for I'm gonna show you, just search Tor browser download. So you're gonna show you, and you're gonna do the first link above, and now you're gonna your OS. For example, if you have Microsoft Windows, down Microsoft Windows version. If you have Apple OS, you have Mac, you're gonna download from here. Linux or smartphone, search. It's more complicated, so you don't need to do this. So for first time, you're gonna go to Microsoft Windows. If you have, so I download for Microsoft Windows because I have that Microsoft Windows. I download Tor browser, so I don't download expert bundle, because if you download expert bundle, it's far complicated to make. So you don't need this. You just want to do, just so if you want just to go deeper for entertainment, I recommend Tor browser, not expert bundle. So after you do this, your installation is complete. Go to Tor browser and get start Tor browser. You're gonna wait a few minutes after start Tor browser, like I do. And for what I wanna say to you something. Tor browser and the search engines are very what you say, stupid. Yes, because they're safe and they move slowly. And starting Tor browser is all the same, move slowly. Tor browser, I don't know why, but move really slowly. But you know what? You can move the start Tor browser in the desktop because this is the shortcut. But I move it here from alright, so it opens. Alright, it opens, but alright, so or where the look Tor that there was one start. That's interesting. Oh, it's starting. Alright. So first of all, we're gonna know it's using Tor browser maximize in full screen. Right here, maximum Tor browser can allow website to determine your monitor size. So that means don't use Tor browser in full screen mode because they're gonna track you and know your location. It's gonna be very dangerous. So I'm gonna go and new identity for reasons or safety reasons. You can do this, but I will do it for security. Right? So right here. you get the PS. Right. So about Tor, nothing. So go first time go to security settings. I gave it to safest because I don't want to risk, or you can give it standard, safer, or safest, however you want. No. Okay. Tor network settings. If you want, you maybe let them right. They are. I don't know. And what the heck is not saying the Tor browser? Look at that crap. Alright. Oh yeah. So if Tor is standard in your country, like in Egypt or other countries, maybe Tor is standard. You just click on this. I don't click anything because I'm not. My country Tor is not standard. So and other things what I don't think. Well, so first you still need Mozilla or Google Chrome and search the hidden wiki. Go to the first the hiddenwiki.org. Copy that. Go to the Chrome and paste and go right here. Right with the connect. You don't gonna find the original the hidden wiki, right? Because I don't know, Tor does not find them, or it's fine, but more far complicated to find maybe. Now all so there are the sites. Yeah. Now I'm in France, United States, Netherlands, not in my country. So not my IP. You cannot see my IPs, and the one who gonna want to track me. Or so just here for more reasons. So if you want, you can cover your webcam if you have one. I recommend you to cover your webcam because some sites are stronger and can, have access to your webcam. So right here, for example, UK passports are fake passports, and not true. Like you or not you, but someone is one criminal. He go to UK passports and have a UK passport. So he doesn't have to risk to go there. Hitman network or other sites. I'm not gonna enter right now because I'm not interested. But if you like this, this video, I'm gonna make a series with exploring the, Tor, not Tor, DeepWeb with all these sites. But I don't recommend you to click on this. I recommend you to best of all to go there and go copy, then you go here and paste it on. So if you open right here, your identity cards or something you introduce in your computer can be tracked, and or like money, you can lose your money or something like that. So that's a lot of sites. Of course, not all of them are working. One of the sites, one are shut down, or I don't know, shut down, change their URLs. So yeah. So that's my tutorial. Hope you liked it, guys. I will see you next time. When I don't know when we see the next time, but I hope will be soon. Leave a like, a subscribe, because it's my first video on this channel, so I don't know what, if I do better, I can do better, but not first time. So yes, like if you like this video, enjoy, share it, subscribe. We are gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye.